Welcome to the day 3 of Vietnam trip and the second day in Phuoc Island. So here right now we are going to the beach since Phuoc Island is surrounded by beaches. So we thought, okay, we'll visit one nearby beach and just explore how the beaches are in Phuoc Island. And yeah, here we are. काफ़ी ब्यूटीफुल था. Some parts the water was clean and some parts it was not, but ठीक है, हमने photos अच्छे अच्छे खींच लिए. We spent a bit of time there and it was nice. And then we decided after this we were going to the Sunset City, and from there we were gonna take the cable car and go to Sun World. So here we were ready to go to the Sunset City. From there we had to head ahead. Then initially what we did is we stopped and explored the beautiful buildings there. थोड़ा time लिया हमने देखा. काफ़ी nice it was, nicely made, very touristy place, like very Pinteresty place. And then we entered the Sunset City where I mean to go towards the Sun World. So we were very hungry. So पहले हमने decide किया we will have our lunch here near the watching the Kissing Bridge, and then finish our lunch and then head towards the cable car. So here's the view. Once we were done with our lunch, we headed towards the cable car. And the best part was in the cable car, it was only me and my friend, and there was nobody else. So pura cable cable car was only for us. It's like paisa vasool idhar hi ho gaya tha. So this was because we had reached there like in the afternoon, almost around by 3 p.m के आसपास हम वी हैड रीच. तो उतना ज़्यादा क्राउड उस तरफ जाता है नहीं. अगर आपको सन वर्ल्ड जाना है फुकॉक आइलैंड में तो आप सुबह यू कैन स्टार्ट योर डे देयर. काफ़ी सारे प्लेसेस है टू एक्सप्लोर, तो पूरा दिन वहाँ लग जाता है. And this is the beautiful view of the sea and the boats that were stationed there. काफ़ी सुंदर लग रहा था from the top. And yeah, we had amazing experience in the cable car. So this is called one of the longest cable car in the in Asia. I think even it's in the world as well. Experience was amazing. Okay, I love the whole experience. यहाँ पे ही मुझे पैसे वसूल लगे. Then after the cable car ride, we reached the Sun World. सो हियर इट्स बेसिकली काफ़ी सारे वाटर पार्क्स वगैरह हैं. तो अगर आप सुबह आते हैं अराउंड 8-9 p.m, तो आपका पूरा दिन यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा लाइक यू कैन स्पेंड. लाइक वाटर पार्क से बच्चों के लिए काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस होता है. लाइक लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर देयर टू इफ़ यू वांट प्ले इन वाटर, तो उसके लिए काफ़ी अच्छा है. जस्ट हम तो ऐसे ही चले गए थे जस्ट टू सी हैव अ लुक. There was nothing much to do for us. This was a free drink given and it was very tasty mixed with fruits. Then we explored a little and then took pictures here and there. And then during the return, I guess 5 बजे 6 बजे बंद हो जाता है. So they start asking us to leave by 5:30. So this was a crowd waiting to go back to the Sunset City by the cable car. काफ़ी crowd था. तो of course while return हमें cable car free मतलब खाली नहीं मिला. तो इट वॉज फिल्ड विद पीपल. बट या दिस वॉज लाइक अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस अगेन. लाइक आपका केबल कार का ही एक्सपीरियंस काफ़ी पैसा वसूल लगेगा. आई थिंक द कॉस्ट वॉज अराउंड 2,500 per head. So yeah, the view is all worth it. Like amazing view. You can see like full पानी में भी छोटे छोटे islands. This was a height mentioned. So काफ़ी छोटे islands के बाद you go to the Sunset City. Even to the Sun World, like there are a lot of small islands. So this is the view, how it looks, one side the sea and one side the whole Sunset City. So this was like a miniature structure that was done. And here we were watching at the sunset. स्टिल 5:30 ही बजे थे. सो वी डिसाइडेड कि हम थोड़ा नीचे चले जाते हैं टू एक्सप्लोर कि नीचे क्या है सनसेट सिटी के. तो या वी वर गोइंग बिकॉज सब लोग ऑलमोस्ट सनसेट देखने के लिए इस तरफ इस सनसेट सिटी में ही आते हैं. एंड थोड़ा यस क्राउड भी था. एंड दिस वाज अ बियर फैक्ट्री विच वी डिडंट experience because we were late. And यहाँ पे सब चीज़ें almost like काफ़ी सारे places like they close at 5:30 6 p.m. like they are very disciplined on that. So this was a sunset. And yeah, few experience we did miss, but जो भी हमने experience किया, it was very beautiful. And it was worth it traveling to this place, and very colorful, and there was some dance show वगैरह चल रहा था नीचे. So we did watch that for some time, and then we headed for a sunset, to just to watch and just have fun. I mean, just enjoy the moment, and then we came back. Yeah, we didn't go to the kissing bridge because काफ़ी शाम हो गया था, and there was no point, so we didn't feel like going, so we didn't go there. Then we decided to go on the other side and grab some coffee. So Phuket Island is also called an island, Pearl Island. So yeah, we were returning, and this was the longest escalator that you saw. So यहाँ पे हम अपने कैब के लिए वेट कर रहे थे, and we were done for the day. We went back near a hotel and we did little shopping. Yeah, that's how we spent our day 3 in Vietnam and in Phuket Island. Thank you for watching. Bye.